Did you know that by 2025, the global AI market is projected to reach a staggering $266.92 billion? An impressive figure, isn't it? But it's not surprising given the rapid growth and impact of artificial intelligence in the global market. From healthcare to transportation, finance to entertainment, AI technology is revolutionizing every sector. By automating complex tasks, it's increasing efficiency, reducing errors, and offering unprecedented levels of convenience. And what's driving this growth? It's the increasing investment in AI technology. Governments, corporations, and startups alike are recognizing AI's potential and are investing heavily in it. Moreover, the potential economic impact of this growth is momentous. AI has the potential to boost global GDP by about 14% by 2030. That's an estimated $14 trillion added to the global economy. Clearly, artificial intelligence is not just a passing fad, but a technological revolution that's reshaping our world. But what exactly is artificial intelligence? Well, at its core, artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is a branch of computer science that aims to imbue software or machines with the capability to exhibit human-like intelligence. It's all about creating smart machines that can understand, learn, and respond to their environment. Now, there are two main types of AI. First, we have narrow AI, also known as weak AI. This type of AI is designed to perform a specific task, like voice recognition. It's specialized and limited to a certain area. On the other hand, we have general AI or strong AI. This type of AI can perform any intellectual task that a human being can. It's versatile and adaptable, much like our own minds. And let's not forget about machine learning. This is a core part of AI, where machines learn and improve from experience, much like humans do. So, in essence, artificial intelligence gives machines the ability to seem like they have human intelligence. But where is this AI we speak of? You might be surprised just how close it is. Artificial intelligence or AI is not just a futuristic concept or a sci-fi movie trope. It's here, it's now, and it's improving our lives in more ways than you might realize. Let's dive into some real-world examples. In the world of healthcare, AI is revolutionizing the detection and treatment of diseases. Machine learning algorithms can analyze medical images and detect anomalies that might be missed by the human eye. These systems are trained on thousands, sometimes millions of images, enabling them to spot the subtlest signs of diseases, such as cancer, in their early stages. This early detection can be a lifesaver, literally. When it comes to finance, AI is the new sheriff in town. Financial institutions are employing AI to detect fraudulent transactions. The AI systems monitor transaction patterns and flag any activity that deviates from the norm. This proactive approach to fraud detection not only saves money, but also instills confidence in the system. In the retail sector, AI is reshaping the way we shop. Ever wondered how online stores seem to know exactly what you're looking for? That's AI at work, analyzing your browsing habits and purchase history to recommend products tailored to your preferences. This personalized shopping experience feels almost magical, but it's simply AI's ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data. Let's not forget the transportation industry. Self-driving cars, once a figment of imagination, are now a reality thanks to AI. These vehicles use AI algorithms to analyze data from sensors and cameras, making decisions in real time about speed, direction, and when to stop or go. This technology promises to make our roads safer by reducing human error. So the next time you hear about AI, remember it's not just some far-off concept. It's here, it's now, and it's already shaping our world in significant ways. From our health to our wallets, artificial intelligence is already making a huge impact in our daily lives. With AI already so present in our lives, what does the future hold? As we step into the future, artificial intelligence is expected to take giant leaps. It's not just about smart devices or personalized recommendations anymore. The future of AI is more about shaping our world in ways we can't even fully comprehend yet. One of the most promising aspects of AI is its potential to create new jobs. Yes, it's true that automation might replace certain roles, but let's not forget that with every technological revolution, new types of jobs emerge. For instance, the rise of AI has already increased the demand for AI specialists, data analysts, and ethical consultants, roles that were virtually non-existent a couple of decades ago. The future will likely see an expansion of such roles, and many more that we can't even envision at this point. Moreover, AI's ability to solve complex problems is another avenue that holds immense potential. Whether it's predicting weather patterns to mitigate the impact of natural disasters, diagnosing diseases at early stages, or solving intricate mathematical problems, AI's problem-solving capabilities are set to revolutionize numerous sectors. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. As AI continues to evolve, it will likely tackle even more complex challenges, further transforming our world. However, along with its potential, AI also raises critical ethical questions. As it becomes more prevalent, issues of privacy, security, and bias become increasingly significant. For instance, how do we ensure that AI systems are fair and unbiased? How do we protect our privacy in an AI-driven world? These questions are not easy to answer, but they are crucial to address as we navigate the future of AI. In conclusion, the future of AI is a thrilling mix of immense potential and significant challenges. It's an exciting journey that promises to reshape our world, but it also raises important ethical questions that we must confront head-on. It's safe to say that the future of AI is not just about technology, but also about how we, as a society, choose to use it. The future of AI is both exciting and challenging, filled with potential and fraught with ethical dilemmas. Are you intrigued by the possibilities of artificial intelligence? It's a fascinating field that's growing and evolving at an astonishing pace. Whether you're keen to satiate your curiosity or you're considering a career in this exciting domain, there's a wealth of resources at your disposal to help you navigate the world of AI. For those who prefer a structured approach, numerous online courses provide a comprehensive overview of AI and its applications. You can find these courses on platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udemy. If you're a bookworm, books like Artificial Intelligence, A Modern Approach, and Superintelligence offer great insights. For those who enjoy networking and learning from experts, AI conferences such as the Neural Information Processing Systems and the International Conference on Learning Representations are must-attend events. They provide a platform to interact with industry leaders and stay updated with the latest developments. The world of AI awaits you. Dive in and discover the possibilities for yourself.